All right, Fast and Furious, that's what we're all about. We're here now at the Carrot. This is on Harding Avenue in Surfside, and a busy lunch. So I'm going to kind of quickly go through a little bit of what we have going on here. So this is a salmon poke bowl or some kind of salad. What do you have over here? Very nice. Looks great. Look how fresh this is. So people might not realize that this is it's vegetarian, but also chicken. They have, so it is fleischiks. But is this paru? Can you?
Paru.
It's all paru. Okay. So it's separate. You can, you don't have to.
Separate ovens, separate
grill. Ovens, falafel. That's great. So busy, nice and busy. Welcome to the season, huh?
Yeah.
It should be all year like this. So yeah, just a lot of stuff going out. A lot of deliveries, huh? On the beach. What? Okay. Baruch Hashem, it should be. But no, this is good. Okay, so lots of stuff going out. Just want to kind of show you the line of what the place looks like. So you can sit here at the bar, which is nice. They have smoothies going out. There's acai bowls. Let's see if we can zoom in on some of these acai bowls. You got the noise. You got smoothies being made. Yeah, I'll show you some. Let's see if we can zoom in on some of these acai bowls. Perfect. Perfect. And here in Florida, where it does get warm during the day, in the sun, you get a little acai bowl, nice and refreshing. It's good for you. We've got lots of fruit. So we'll show that. You know what? Let's show. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get behind. Let's see if they're gonna allow me. Yes, I think that's okay. I'm just gonna show. So can I show a little bit of what you're making? What are you preparing?
This is salmon poke bowl.
Salmon poke bowl. Is that how many portions is that?
Two.
Okay. I had a feeling that would look like a good amount. So what do you have in here?
I have quinoa. I have
quinoa. I love how you say quinoa. I'm a ginger, cucumber, crunchy onion,
sliced tomato.
Okay.
Eel sauce.
Perfect.
Arugula.
That looks so good.
Yeah,
looks healthy also.
Yes.
Fresh and healthy.
Yeah.
That's perfect. All right, so I want to show also some stuff. Okay, they do have some. Yeah, this is chicken. And what do we got over here? Let's see if we can open this up and see. I'll try not to get in the way. Let's see. Everything is separate. Separate boards. This to go.
Yeah. The chicken. Yeah.
That looks good. People love this place. There's a reason why. You make some avocado. This is a
Eggy wrap with turkey.
a what?
Eggy wrap with turkey.
An egg wrap with turkey. Egg white wrap with turkey. Very nice. Also healthy. We got some avocado. All right.
Give me chicken breast, please. I'll leave it there.
There's some chicken to it. It's a nice hearty meal right there. Perfect. All right. Very good. Good job. All right. So we walk around back now behind the counter, and I'll show you a little bit of nice and busy. Meg, you don't want to say hello? Why do people love you so much? It's such a nice thing, right?
I'm very grateful.
It is. It's a nice thing that
incredible people
we appreciate it for your hard work. It feels good. That's why we all do it. From all your work, so good for you. Kol hakavod. All that. All right. So we're gonna go. I wanted to kind of show you some of the behind the scenes here as we're making smoothies. I'll show you the outside also, so we can kind of give you an idea of when you come in. Again, you can order at the counter right here, and you can sit by the bar if you want to sit inside, see some of the action. Always fun to see kind of them preparing the food. So that's like a nice front row seat to lots of action. And if you want to sit in the outside, I'll show you what the place looks like outside. Yeah. So we have, I'm going to walk